What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today we're going to be making a suffering bastard. I thought this would be a pretty good cocktail to make since half of you are probably still suffering from the New Year's Eve shenanigans. Anyway, this is a good drink. It was a kind of a tiki-facing drink created by Joe Scialom, who's the very famous globetrotting bartender, and he created it at the Shepheard Hotel in Cairo, Egypt, sometime in the early to mid 1940s. Martin Kate from Smuggler's Cove gave it a year of 1942. I haven't done a deep enough dive to really be able to say that's the truth. But anyway, I say that this drink is tiki facing because it does not have rum, it does not have pineapple, it doesn't have allspice dram or anything. But it was created at the height of tiki-dom. So let's get into making this drink. It's going to be a pretty simple one, and it's going to be tasty. First thing we're going to do is take our house-made cordial, which if you have not seen any other episodes, definitely click this link above and you'll be able to figure out how to make this because we have done a nice video on it. All right, so 1 ounce of lime cordial, 1 ounce of brandy, 1 ounce of gin, and 1 Ango. Add our ice. Now this week I've been a busy little bee, so I decided to make my own ice spears. So we're just gonna drop my lovely ice spear in there, and we're gonna shake our cocktail. All right, and then, you know what I love about this Barfly fine strainer is that their fine strainers are huge. It's like double the size of like the generic one you would get, which is really awesome. And so when I'm double straining stuff, I never have to like fill it up and change strainers. There you go. And then we are just going to top it up. And when you top anything up with soda or ginger beer or anything, you want to make sure that it's ice cold, just out of the fridge. So we're going to do approximately, give or take, 4 ounces of ginger beer on top. And then we are going to take this mint that I cut straight out of the pot I was growing it in. Going to give it a light squeeze and get those oils going. We're going to stick that nice bouquet there. And then we're just going to cut a little orange. Like that, yeah. Nice little orange wedge. There you have it, my friends. The suffering bastard. Let's taste it. I actually didn't get myself a straw, so I'm going to have to taste it old school way. But you know, it's good. I mean, even when you have a straw, you want to make sure you got a lot of mint in there so you get that mint as you drink. Now that is a tasty highball. As I would say in the past, oh yeah, that's a tasty highball. I mean, you obviously get the ginger beer, Angostura bitters. It is very refreshing. It's got kind of a nice body to it. The gin provides a little bit of botanicals, and you get, and you can definitely feel that brandy in there. This is a nice, I don't know if it was, I mean, it's called a suffering bastard, so I'm assuming that this was just one of those hangover helpers that bartenders like to give to people as a hair of the dog. I'm not sure if that's exactly why this was created, but it would definitely do the trick. So there you have it, my friends, the suffering bastard.